Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're making a super easy, delicious sauce, bang bang sauce. This creamy, sweet and spicy sauce is perfect for dipping, drizzling or even spreading on your favorite dishes. Trust me, you are going to want to add this to everything. So let's dive right in. So here are what you need for this delicious sauce. You need your mayonnaise. There's a homemade mayonnaise. I have a video on that. I have some Siracha sauce, some sweet chili sauce, and honey. You can use sugar if you want. So first, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of homemade mayonnaise to a small bowl. This is the base of our sauce, making it nice and creamy. Next, we'll add in about 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. This gives the sauce that perfect balance of sweetness and a little bit of tang. Now for the kick, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of Sriracha sauce. You can adjust this to make it as spicy as you like. And finally, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of honey. This rounds out the flavors with a touch of natural sweetness. I'll go ahead to give all a mix until it is smooth and the color is beautifully consistent. Look at that, so creamy and vibrant. This bang bang sauce is so versatile. Use it as a dip for shrimp or chicken, drizzle it over tacos, or even spread it on a sandwich for an extra punch of flavor. And that is it, bang bang sauce made in just a minute. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell notification so you never miss out on any of my new videos. Until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.